নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল বেজবৰুৱা ডিজিটেল ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাই আজিৰ ভিডিঅটো আৰম্ভ কৰিব লৈছো আজিৰ ভিডিঅটোৰ মূল বিষয়বস্তু হৈছে যে ITI এক্সাম দিবলৈ ওলোৱা যিসকল ট্ৰেইনী আছে সেই সকলৰ ওপৰত বনোৱা হৈছে আজিৰ ভিডিঅটো মই কোৱেশ্চন আৰু আনসাৰৰ ওপৰত বনাইছো তেনেহলে বন্ধুসকল বলকচোন ভিডিঅটোৰ মাজলৈ আগবাঢ়ো যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅটো চাই ভাল পায় তেনেহলে প্লিজ লাইক শেয়াৰ এণ্ড কমেন্ট কৰাৰ লগতে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি লওক যাতে মোৰ আহিবলগীয়া নতুন ভিডিঅসমূহ সকলোতকৈ প্ৰথমে আপুনি পায় ধন্যবাদ
So friends, first question to us what is accident? Hi বন্ধুসকল your answer to us an accident is unplanned and non-controlled event. The next question to us the best way of avoiding accident by dress. So your answer to us observing safety rules related to job, machine and workplace. Hi bondhukol your next question to us question number 3 what does ULP stand for? Your answer to hobo unleaded petrol. Hi bondhukol your next question to hobo question number 4 SWL stand for. Your answer to us safe working load. Hi bondhukol safe working load. Next question to us question number 5 an injured person should be given dress immediately. Hi bondhukol your answer to hobo first aid dibo lagibo. The next question to us question number 6 what is fire? Our fire answer to hoise fire is a chemical reaction between a fuel and oxygen in the presence of heat. The next question hobo in a workshop oblique industries an electric fire is extinguished dash kenakoi hobo. The your answer to us using CTC fire extinguisher. Hi bondhukol CTC fire extinguisher ব্যবহার কৰিব লাগিব. The your next question to us a hammer with loosely fitted handle will be dressed. The your answer to hobo fly away and causes accident. The next question to hold question number 9 an oily floor should be cleaned by dress. So your answer to hoise putting sawdust. Hi bondhukol sawdust put koribo lagibo. The next question hoise question number 10 aru etu hol last question what is first aid? The last question to answer hoise first aid is a immediate care given to the injured or suddenly ill person. Hi bondhukol etu asile aji last question